In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a durable AI website in a second, 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll have a polished site that's ready to share, and you can follow along even if this is your very first website. Start by heading to Durable's website and clicking Build a Website. Create your account using email or a Google login. There's no credit card needed to try it, so you can explore without pressure. Next, let the AI do the heavy lifting. Enter your business type like virtual assistant, bakery, or cleaning service. You can also add your location if you want local context, but that's optional. Click Generate Website, and in about 30 to 60 seconds, you'll get a complete site, a homepage, services, about, and a contact page, along with images and written copy to match your business. Now it's time to make it yours. Click Edit to start customizing. For text, click any section and type your own words, or use Rewrite with AI to quickly adjust tone and clarity. Keep your voice consistent and double-check details like pricing or service areas. For images, click an image and choose Replace. You can upload your own photos for authenticity or use AI-generated images. Aim for clear, high-quality visuals that reflect your brand. Move on to design. Adjust colors, fonts, buttons, and layout sections to match your brand personality. Upload your logo and set your brand style so everything looks cohesive. Choose colors with good contrast and readable font sizes for accessibility. Add any extra pages and sections you need by opening pages. Common additions include a blog for updates, an FAQ to address common questions, a gallery for visual work, a pricing page to set expectations, and a contact form so visitors can reach you easily. Keep navigation simple and make your main call to action stand out. If you want built-in business tools, Durable includes a CRM to manage leads, invoicing to get paid, and appointment booking. Enable only what supports your workflow so your dashboard stays clean. When you're ready, click Publish. You can use a free Durable subdomain or connect your custom domain on a paid plan. Your site goes live instantly, so you can share it right away. Since most visitors browse on phones, preview your site on mobile and tweak spacing or image sizes as needed. Make sure buttons are easy to tap and text is easy to read. Finally, visit SEO and settings. Edit page titles and meta descriptions to clearly describe each page, update your business info, and connect Google Analytics on a paid plan for traffic insights. With that, your Durable AI website is live, branded, and